This is board question paper for class 12. This is set number 65/4/1. This question paper has come in March 2024. This section consists of 20 multiple choice questions of 1 mark each. Its first question is, if this matrix is a scalar matrix, then the value of this is. There are 4 options. Now we know a scalar matrix is a square matrix in which all the principal diagonal elements are equal and the remaining elements are 0. It means, now this is a scalar matrix. This is given to us. It means A is equal to D is equal to 5. Value of A is 5, value of D is 5. Because in a scalar matrix, all these elements, diagonal elements are equal. So A is equal to D is equal to 5. And all other elements are 0. It means B is 0, C is 0. And I am to find the value of this. So substitute these values here. You will get 25. D is the option. Now second question, given that A inverse is equal to 1/7 and the matrix is 2, 1, -3 and 2. Then matrix A is, there are 4 options. And what is the definition of A inverse? A inverse is 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. It means ये आपका determinant A है. इसका मतलब ये आपका determinant A है. इसका मतलब यहाँ से एक मैट्रिक्स ढूंढो जिसका डिटर्मिनेंट 7 आता है. तो इसका डिटर्मिनेंट आपका 7 आता है. तो इसका मतलब B आपका ऑप्शन होगा. Now the third question, if A is this matrix, then the value of I minus A plus A square minus A cube onward is. There are 4 options. Now A is 2, 1, -4, -2. Find A square. That will come out to be 0 matrix. Then find A cube. That will come out to be a 0 matrix. And it means A n is 0. So 1 minus A plus A square minus A cube. We know the matrix A and all other matrices are 0. So it is I minus this matrix. So I is identity matrix, that 1, 0, 0, 1, -2, 1, -4, -2. And that is equal to -1, -1, 4 and 3. So A is the option. Now the fourth question is, if A is equal to this matrix, then the value of determinant of A adjoint of A is. There are 4 options. Now we have to find A into adjoint of A and फिर उसका determinant find करना है. तो आप पहले adjoint of A find करोगे. adjoint of A में आप कोफैक्टर्स निकालोगे. कोफैक्टर्स निकालोगे तो यहाँ मैंने कोफैक्टर्स निकाल दिए. मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफैक्टर डैश, तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा. सो A इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इज, आप A और एडजॉइंट ऑफ A को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और उसका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालोगे. A एडजॉइंट ऑफ A आपके पास ये आ जाएगा. इसका आप डिटर्मिनेंट निकालोगे 1000 आ जाएगा. सो D इज द ऑप्शन. नाउ द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, गिवन दैट दिस इंटू दिस इज इक्वल टू 0, द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज. Multiply these 2 matrices, and when you multiply it, you will get 4 plus 2x, 0 is equal to 0. It means 4 plus 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to -2. So B is the option. Now the sixth question, derivative of e raised to power 2x with respect to ex is. Let u is equal to e raised to power 2x, v is equal to e raised to power x. Find du by dx, find dv by dx, and then du by dv is equal to du by dx into dx by dv. And when you solve this, you will get 2 e raised to power x. So B is the option. Now the question number 7. For what value of k the function given below is continuous at x is equal to 0? Fx is equal to √4 plus x minus 2 upon x if x is not equal to 0. And this is equal to k if x is equal to 0. There are 4 options. Now function is continuous if limit of x tends to 0, √4 plus x minus 2 upon x is equal to f0. Now rationalize it. When we rationalize it, multiply and divide by √4 plus x plus 2. A minus b, a plus b. So you will get 4 plus x minus 4 upon x. √4 plus x plus 2 is equal to k. Now this and this is cancelled. You will get x. X and x is cancelled. You will get this. And x tends to 0. You will get √4 plus 2. It means 4 here. So value of k is 1 by 4. So B is the option. Now the 8th question, the value of integrate dx upon √9 minus x square 0 to 3 is. There are 4 options. Now this can be written as root 3 square minus x square. This is equal to, its integration is sin inverse x by 3, 0 to 3, and answer will come out to be pi by 2. So C is the option. Ninth question, the general solution of differential equation x dy plus y dx is 0 is, there are four options. Now x dy plus y dx is 0, x dy is equal to minus y dx, 1 by y dy is equal to minus 1 by x dx. Integrate both sides, you will get log y is equal to minus log x plus log c, and log y plus log x is equal to log c. So log yx is equal to log c, so yx is equal to c. So A is the option. Now 11th question, if A vector and B vector are two vectors such that magnitude of A vector is 1, magnitude of B vector is 2, and A vector dot B vector is root 3, then the angle between these two vectors is, there are four options. Now this is given to us. Now 2A vector dot minus B vector is equal to minus 2A vector dot B vector, that is equal to minus 2 root 3, because this is equal to root 3. So instead of this, write this. Again write this 2A dot minus B vector, that is equal to magnitude of this cos theta. Now this is minus 2A dot B vector is equal to 2 magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector cos theta. Now substitute the values. You have this value from here and you have this value. This is given to us, this is given to us. When you solve this, you will get minus root 3 by 2 is equal to cos theta. So theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. So option is C. Now the 12th question. The vector A is this, vector B is this, vector C is this. Represent the sides of an equilateral triangle, an obtuse angle triangle, an isosceles triangle, a right angle triangle. Now vector A is this, magnitude of A vector is root 6, magnitude of B vector is root 35, magnitude of C vector is root 41. So magnitude of C square is equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square. They represent the sides of a right angle triangle. So D is the option. Now the 13th question. Let A be any vector such that magnitude of A is A. The value of this is, there are four options. Now you write this question. And this is equal to this, this is equal to this, this is equal to this. And magnitude of A square is A, this is given to us. And magnitude of I cap square is equal to 1. So sin theta is sin square theta. So we will have this. So A square common, we will have in the bracket sin square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta. Now this sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. A square common. Now you will have 3 minus cos square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta, and this is equal to 1. So A square is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2A square. So B is the option. Now the 14th question. The vector equation of a line passing through the point this and parallel to y-axis is, there are four options and it's very much clear. B is the option. Vector equation of line passing through this point and parallel to y-axis is, this is the answer. B is the answer. Now 15th question. The line this and this are perpendicular to each other for P equal to, there are four options. Now write it in a proper way and write this in a proper way. When you write this, you will get this, and here A1 is this, B1 is this, C1 is this. And the second line, write it in a proper way. You all know how to write it. And here A2 is P, B2 is minus 1, C2 is 7. And A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is 0 when the lines are perpendicular to each other. Now substitute the values, you will get value of P is 2, so C is the option. Now the 16th question. The maximum value of Z 4x plus y for a LPP whose feasible region is given below. Now this figure is given to us and these four options are there. Now the corner points are this, this, this and this. These four are the corner points. Z is equal to 4x plus y. Substitute these values and maximum value is 120 and C is the option. Now the 17th question. The probability distribution of a random variable x is given where k is some unknown constant. The probability that the random variable takes the value 2 is, there are four options. Now we know probability, this probability is equal to 1. So if we add this should come out to be 1, and then we will be able to find the value of k. Now k is equal to 2 by 10, and now k is equal to 2 by 10. The probability that the random variable takes the value 2 is 2k. Now this value probability is 2 की probability 2k है, and we now know the value of k. 2 into 2 by 10, answer will come out to be 4 by 10, that is 2 by 5. So B is the option. Now the 18th question. The function fx is equal to kx minus sin x is strictly increasing for. There are 4 options. A is k greater than 1, B k less than 1, C k greater than minus 1, D k less than minus 1. Fx is equal to kx minus sin x. This is strictly increasing if f dash x greater than 0. It means I am to find f dash x. So f dash x will come out to be k minus cos x. Now cos x की वैल्यू होती है -1 से 1 के बीच में. f dash x greater than 0 if k is greater than 1. So A is the option. Now question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason based questions. 2 statements are given. One labeled assertion A and another labeled reason R. Select the correct answer from the codes A, B, C, D as given below. Now A, both assertion A and reason R are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B, both assertion A and reason R are true, and reason R is not the correct explanation of the assertion A. C, assertion A is true but reason R is false. D, assertion A is false but reason R is true. Now assertion A, the relation R, set of all x, y, x plus y is a prime number and x, y belongs to n is not a reflexive relation. Reason R, the number 2n is a composite for all natural number n. Now अगर मैं यहाँ पर x और y की वैल्यू 2 ले लेती हूँ तो 2 and 2 belongs to R. 2 plus 2 that is 4 is not a prime number. So it is not a reflexive relation. So this is a true statement. This is not a reflexive relation. If I take a number here 2 and 2. If I take 3, 3, then 3, 3, 6 हो गया. 6 भी आपका prime number नहीं है. It means ये reflexive relation नहीं हुआ. Reason R, the number 2n is a composite for all natural number n. He says कि 2n is a composite number. If I take n1, it is 2. 2 is a prime number. So the number is a composite for all natural number n. No, this is not composite for all natural number n. If we take n is 1, then it is a prime number. So our reason R is false. This assertion A is true. So this is what I have written here. You can check it, and C is the option. Now 20th question, assertion A. The corner points of the bounded region of LPP are shown below. The maximum value of z x plus 2y occurs at infinite points. Now this figure is given to us. These are the corner points, and I am going to check these corner points here. What I'll get. Now these are the corner points. Z is equal to x plus 2y. If I substitute these values, I'll get 60, 120, 120 and 80. These two values are equal. We know if LPP admits optimal solutions at two consecutive vertices of a feasible region, then the optimal solutions occur at every point on the line joining these 2 points. Now हमारे 2 पॉइंट्स पे, इस पे और इस पे, ये यहाँ पर दोनों वैल्यूज़ इक्वल आई हैं. अगर ये दोनों वैल्यूज़ इक्वल आ जाए तो हर एक पॉइंट पर ये वैल्यूज़ आपकी इक्वल आएंगी. Then maximum value of this occur at infinite points. So this is a true statement. So assertion A is a true statement. And what about reason R? Reason R, the optimal solution of LPP having boundary feasible region must occur at corner points. Again, this is a true statement. So both the statements are true. Reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. So B is the option.